Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to my channel. First, let's have a look what we are going to deal in this presentation. Want to know why these tablets remain intact till it reaches to the intestine? Then don't skip any part of this video and stay tuned. But before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In previous session, we already discussed what is coating of tablets. Now we are going to discuss different types of coatings, and in this presentation we will discuss enteric coating. After going through this presentation, the learner will be able to perform enteric coating of tablets, understand need of enteric coating, and select polymer for enteric coating. Already in previous presentation, we had discussed sugar coating and film coating of the tablets. In this presentation, we are going to discuss a type of film coating, that is enteric coating. So let's start with enteric coating. Enteric coating is a type of film coating. It is given to the tablets in order to ensure that these tablets will not disintegrate in acidic environment of the stomach. Such tablets pass through stomach as such, and when enter in basic pH of intestine, disintegrate there. Now question arises why such a coating is needed or why such a coating is given. Such a coating is given in some conditions as follows. If medicament produce severe irritation in stomach, such coating avoid its release in stomach and avoid gastric irritation. When the action of medicament is required in the intestine only, then also enteric coating is given to the tablet. For example, anthelmintics are used to kill or paralyze worms in the intestine, and this should be released in the intestine. Another example is amebicides to kill amoebic cysts which are present in the intestine. Another reason is if medicaments get decomposed or destroyed by acidic environment of stomach, such drugs are also coated by enteric coating. If drugs are better absorbed from the intestine, then also tablets are coated with enteric coating. Another reason is if delayed action of drug is needed, its release from the tablet can be delayed by giving enteric coating to the tablet. Now let's put a light on polymers used for enteric coating. Polymers used for enteric coating are Salol, cellulose acetate phthalate, shellac and its derivatives. Polymers used for enteric coating should have some properties. So let's discuss these properties required in an enteric coating polymer. First property required is these should be resistant to gastric fluids, that is, they should not dissolve in acidic pH of the stomach, but it should dissolve readily in basic pH of the intestine. Next property required is this should be non-toxic in nature in the quantity used for the coating. Next property is these should be economical and cost effective. Next property is there should not be need of any specialized equipment of coating of these polymers. So there is no requirement of any specialized equipment for the coating. Next property required is these should be compatible with the drug on which coating is to be done. Another property is these should form a continuous film on the tablet. And next property is there should not take place any change in composition of film after aging. Now let's see how entry coating is done. The entry coating of tablets is also done in coating pan. Solution of entry coating material in a volatile organic solvent is sprayed over the tablets which are rotated in the coating pan. The hot air is blown into the pan which helps in evaporation of organic solvent and to form a fine film of entry coating polymer over the tablets. The process is repeated a number of times till the required number of coatings are done. So that is about the entry coating. Now it's time to summarize today's session. We discussed why entry coating is needed, then we discussed the properties required in the polymers for entry coating, and finally we had discussed about how entry coating is done in coating pan. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.